Hi everyone, you are back on the channel MKT Tools. Today I will introduce you to everyone a software that helps you maybe go to the YouTube short video when people post on YouTube completely automatically, or maybe that function can buff the view for the videos. This is your YouTube short software that I want to show you. This is MKT Tube software, as you can see. So this is the interface of this software. Here you can choose for yourself as a function. This seeding function is next. It's here. This software help you can be seeding video, seeding short, seeding live stream. These features. Then I'll be the specific videos later. Today I will guide you seeding into the one, your YouTube short. First, choose the copy, the links, the YouTube short you posted to make you want. This seeding is like me. I also have a short YouTube link. Here I just need copy this link and then go to YouTube. Here we put it in. Next this. Here's this one. Number of concurrency means how many threads run. At the same time, how many threads means how many nicks it in. Watch the YouTube. At the same time, I'm going to put for nicks in. Check this account at the same time. Next, you can like this. Or you can subscribe to this channel. Like video subscribe channel. Every video. Every YouTube. How many seconds of YouTube short do you want to watch? For example, let's show 10 to 20 seconds. Then it's going to be choosing a random number in here so that it watch. For example, it could be the first nick, it's 15 seconds. The second nick is 20 seconds. The third nick is 30 to 27 seconds, for example. Next this. Software that helps you can comment. This automatic. You just need enter the content here, the software. I will help you. You can comment in accordance with the internal that you add to that software. As you can see, I've got a lot more. Leave me a comment on that video. Next this. You guys could be the spinning wheel. If you turn this around, well, that means, for example, you've got about 10 nickels, right? 10 accounts. Go to YouTube. Your YouTube sub is a software. I'll help you see it for the first time. The first time it stopped for a while is about the degree, 2 minutes, for example. After 2 minutes, then it's going to automatically go to that exact video for it to watch. Next this. After that set, please choose for yourself accounts that people want to ship to. It's like I have about 9 nickels. I will choose this 9 nick, then I press start. Well, it's going to be in those videos to that setting. As you can see, there were for comments. These 4 comments you can see, it will be for comments. And these nicknames are all. My own accounts are in the comments. Then my video is over. If you think it's good, give me a like, a subscribe, as well as press the notification bell to receive notifications of my latest video. For now, I would like to welcome you. I'll see you in the videos. Next is the need to use software. You can contact me through channels like Telly, a Pink Cuff Bay KT, or WhatsApp 8497666 years BA81. But good, you can contact me through these information that I put under the screen.